Hello darlings, this is Sewing Julie and welcome to my channel where we talk everything sewing. So today I want to show you how to make a pattern for this dress. Now to make this pattern you will need a dartless basic block. If you don't have one already, I will link in the description down below my tutorial on how you can make a dartless basic block that fits your figure perfectly. So without any further ado, let's start the video. You will need dartless basic block created by your measurements. We will start from the front part. Cut pattern at waistline. We will now work on the front top part. Measure how deeply you want your neckline to be. My measurement is 15 cm from the front center of the top. Mark neckline depth on center line. Also mark 2 cm from the top of the shoulder. We will widen the neckline with this step. Now connect markings with a straight line. At the bottom third of the line, mark 2 cm down. Connect all 3 markings with a curved line. This will be your neckline. Cut away the neckline. Divide bodice below the neckline into several equally spaced lines. From the center line, cut the drawn lines, leaving a few millimeters at the end. Just make sure you're not cutting all the way through and the lines hang at the end. Take a new piece of paper and place bodice pattern piece on the top of it. Spread the pattern. The more you spread, the more gathers you will have. So if your fabric is very lightweight, you can really spread the pattern more. Make sure all cuts are equally spaced, so you want the gathers to be equally distributed. Draw around the pattern piece. In this step, you can use your ruler to press down the pattern pieces to place. And draw all around the pattern. Top front piece is finished. You will need to cut 2 of these pieces. Now take front bottom piece. Using measuring tape, measure how narrow you want the skirt bottom to be just below the knee. Divide this number by 4. My measurement is 84 centimeters divided by 2 and we get 21 centimeters. From the center line at the bottom, I mark this measurement. And then I go up by 5 centimeters. Now I draw a curved line connecting this point with the widest hip point. This will create that beautiful silhouette of the skirt. Cut away excess paper piece. From bottom pattern piece is done, you will need 1 piece cut on fold. Now let's take the back piece. Put front and back shoulder pieces together and mark how much to widen back neckline. Draw new back neckline curve. Cut away excess paper piece. Take front bottom piece and put it on top of the back bottom piece. Draw around the pattern piece, recreating that skirt silhouette. Cut away excess paper piece. Back pattern piece is finished. You will need 1 piece cut on fold. Front and back pieces are ready. Time to move to the sleeve. For the sleeve, measure shoulder end to the elbow. Mark this distance on the sleeve pattern piece and draw a line parallel to sleeve bottom line. Sleeve pattern piece is finished. You will need to cut 2 of these pieces. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you liked it, please hit that like button. Also, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my latest sewing videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'm wishing you a wonderful and creative day ahead. Bye!